Little Brainy Buds TV.
Hey there, friends! Welcome to the most exciting adventure of the day. Are you ready to explore the zoo and meet some amazing animals? We're going to have so much fun today. So, let's put on our adventure hats, because we're going to meet lions, giraffes, penguins, monkeys, and more. Come on, let's go! Here we are, at the zoo. First stop, the giant giraffe. Let's see how tall they are. Wow! Look at how tall this giraffe is. Giraffes have super long necks, which help them reach the leaves way up high in the trees. And guess what? Their necks can be 6 feet long. That's like 2 of you stacked on top of each other. Can you stretch your neck up as tall as you can, just like this giraffe? Ready? Let's stretch, stretch, stretch. Great job! You're taller than ever. Giraffes are also known for their cool spots. Do you see their pattern? Isn't it awesome? Each giraffe has different spots. No 2 giraffes have the same ones, just like your fingerprints. Next up, we have the king of the jungle, the lion. Look at this big, strong lion with his huge mane. He's so powerful. Lions are called the kings of the jungle because they are strong, brave, and rule the land. Their big, fluffy mane protects their neck when they're fighting. And guess what else? Lions can roar so loud you can hear them 5 miles away. Do you want to try roaring like a lion? Ready? On the count of 3, let's roar together. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that was a mighty roar. I think you're ready to be a lion too. Brrr! Let's head over to the penguin exhibit. It's cold here, just like the penguins like it. Penguins are amazing swimmers. They can dive into the water and swim super fast, way faster than we can run. Did you know that penguins can't fly, but they slide on their bellies to get to the water quicker? Let's try sliding like penguins. Everyone get down on the ground and slide like a penguin. Waddle, waddle, slide. Waddle, waddle, slide. Great job, everyone. Now we're just like the penguins. Look at these cheeky monkeys swinging from tree to tree. Monkeys are super good climbers and can even use their tails to hold onto branches. Isn't that cool? Monkeys love to play and jump around, and they have lots of fun. Let's pretend to be monkeys. Ready? Let's swing from tree to tree. Grab a vine. Swing, swing, swing. Great job, little monkeys. You're swinging just like the pros. It's snack time for our animals. Giraffes munch on leaves, lions eat meat, penguins gobble up fish, and monkeys love their bananas. Animals all have their favorite foods to help them stay strong and healthy. What's your favorite food? Can you pretend to eat your favorite food just like the animals? I love bananas like the monkeys. Each animal lives in a special home called a habitat. Giraffes live in the grassy savanna, lions roam the plains, penguins hang out by the cold ice, and monkeys love their trees in the jungle. Every animal has a home where they feel comfortable and safe. Where do you think your favorite animal would live? A jungle, a savanna, or a big, icy world? Now it's time for the animal parade. Let's march with our animal friends as they show off their cool moves. Can you march like a giraffe, stretching your neck super tall? Can you stomp like a lion, roaring as you go? Or waddle like a penguin? Or swing like a monkey? Let's do it all. Ready? Let's go. Wow. We've had such a fun day meeting amazing animals at the zoo. You were a great explorer today, stretching like giraffes, roaring like lions, waddling like penguins, and swinging like monkeys. You're all animal experts now. Thanks for joining me on this exciting adventure. See you next time for more animal fun. Bye-bye. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more fun adventures. See you soon, friends.